And yes, it's all but official. We're getting to know that Suvendu Adhikari is set to be chosen as the Chief Minister of Bengal. So right now, the latest information that we have, and we can confirm here on Times Now, as BJP top guns gather for the Legislative Party meeting. Suvendu Adhikari is the name. It's all but official. For now, we also have information that there will be no Deputy Chief Minister. And ahead of the grand oath-taking ceremony at Brigade Parade Grounds, the biggest scoop breaking here on Times Now, the BJP putting its faith in Suvendu Adhikari, the giant slayer of the BJP in Bengal elections, who defeated Mamta Banerjee from Bhabanipur with more than 15,000 votes, cutting across straight to the Legislative Party meeting, from where my colleague Pranesh is reporting live. Pranesh, it's over to you.
Saga, thank you. The energy here is symbolic of many things. The massive victory that the BJP has got can be felt here. If you just move your, if I can ask my video journalist to, pan and show you the number of people here. And like I've been saying all this morning, that not just the BJP top leaders, not just the MLAs, but also the rank and file. And that tells you that how happy the cadre is. Talking about the question that you asked, that it is all but final matter of formality before Suvendu Adhikari is declared as the leader of BJP's Legislative Party. And then the swearing in happens tomorrow. Ravikant, our colleague from Times Now, Navbharat, has just confirmed that there will be only Chief Minister, that there won't be any Deputy Chief Ministers. Now, many people have been saying that there could be two Deputy Chief Ministers, and people said that, look, Agnimitra Paul could be one woman face, but this minute we can confirm that there will only be Suvendu as the Chief Minister. What happens later on is, anybody's guess, but all the top leaders have gathered in the hall. I don't know, if we can show that hall, but we are on the first floor of this convention center. This escalator goes right down to the ground floor, and that is where the big assembly room is. In fact, if the video journalist Manoj
मोदी जी के सैनिक है और भाजपा के सैनिक
to each other, waiting for Mr. Amit Shah, who's the observer, to come here. The last three people who've entered the room are Suvendu Adhikari, after which came Agnimitra Paul. So these are the last two people who've entered the hall, and we are only waiting for Amit Shah to arrive so that the program can begin. Saga, the most important thing here to highlight is that people that I've been speaking to, they say that, we are really looking forward to the promises that we had made in our manifesto. So once the celebration subsides, so to say, the BJP will hit the ground running. And, it is a tall ask, because the last 15 years, according to the BJP, have been 15 years of misgovernance led by Mamta Banerjee. So now that they have this mandate and massive opportunity, it will only be prudent for the BJP to start delivering, at least in terms of optics, send the right messages, so that the people who voted for change, Pariborton, as Prime Minister said it, feel that Pariborton from day one, when Suvendu Adhikari begins his inning as the Chief Minister of West Bengal, the first BJP Chief Minister in a state that has been dominated by the left party for 34 years, and then you had Mamta ruling for 3 terms, 15 years. So BJP's golden innings, their chance to realize the dream and promise of Sonar Bangla begins today.
So I have our colleague Shivam joining us and also Rajesh reporting live. In moments from now, the Legislature Party meeting is going to get underway, and in that meeting there will be a confirmation, the BJP reposing faith in Suvendu Adhikari, the most prominent face of the Bharatiya Janata Party in the state of West Bengal, the man who defeated Mamta Banerjee in her bastion of Bhabanipur, repeated the Nandigram 2021 performance, also won from the seat of Nandigram this time. Shivam, coming across to you, where are you reporting from? What's happening around you? Tell us the latest developments.
So, Sagarika, just a few moments ago, Amit Shah, the Home Minister, has left this particular hotel. He was staying here. He had a meeting with other senior dignitaries here. There was Suvendu Adhikari was also here. Sukanta Majumdar, Bhupendra Yadav, Sunil Bansal. These are all the people who were a part of the core committee during the entire elections. This oversaw the entire development from North Bengal to South Bengal. All 294 constituencies. They are in direct touch with all the MLAs. And here, for over 2 hours, Amit Shah was there with other senior leaders while they have reached the convention center. Amit Shah has just left, and in a very short moment from now, you will also see the visuals of Amit Shah reaching the convention center where our colleague Pranesh and Ridhita are also present. And there, the final announcement will be made. You, as you rightly mentioned, Suvendu Adhikari, the person who has seen very closely how TMC rose from protesting on the streets to sitting at the pinnacle of the power, is now the person who has defeated Mamata Banerjee twice in 2 consecutive elections. And again, as we are also confirming, Suvendu Adhikari in just some few moments from now will be announced as the face of the first ever Bharatiya Janata Party government in the state of West Bengal. Apart from that, here the discussions were also about the cabinet, because Suvendu Adhikari, Sukanta Majumdar, these were all here. The cabinet is going to be very important issue as well. And during TMC, we saw almost 43 members in the cabinet. It is to be seen how BJP is going to decide the cabinet now, since we are getting the information that there will be no deputy CM. So cabinet, the numbers, the women representation, whether there will be representation from any minority community, any SC/ST community, these are the matters. These are also things that matter to the politics and the political narrative. So it is to be seen how the numbers will also be announced in a very short moment. For now, for now, Amit Shah has just left from this particular place and he is heading towards the convention center.
So Union Home Minister Amit Shah, who arrived earlier today in Kolkata, was received by Suvendu Adhikari. Those are the pictures we are showing you on your screens. And from there, he went to the Dakshineshwar Kali temple. Going across to Rajesh, my colleague. So Rajesh, right now, Suvendu Adhikari will be elected as the legislative party leader in the meeting, which is going to get underway. BJP top guns present there. But yes, the focus is also going to be on the BJP's poll promises. But tomorrow, when the swearing in will take place, when history will be created in Bengal, when the state will get its first ever BJP chief minister, tell us more about the preparations that are underway.
Yes, absolutely. Tomorrow we are going to get our first Chief Minister from Bharatiya Janata Party in West Bengal, and the Chief Minister will take vote just behind me. You can see the ground, that is Brigade Parade ground that comes under Indian Army, and we are right in front of this ground where preparation are underway right now. We can see how the people are preparing all these things just for the vote taking ceremony, and you can see the ground is being prepared for the entire program. The people you can see the main stage where the main stage is being built over there, where the new chief minister will take a vote from this parade ground, and the seating arrangements are also being done. We can see Kolkata police have already taken over this entire ground along with NSG. We have seen NSG higher officials arrived over here in the morning, and they have already taken over this entire ground for the security purpose, and they have, as per the protocol, lots of ambulances, fire tenders are kept over here for the emergency purpose. And this particular road where all the VVIPs will enter to this ground was being built just few hours back, because the condition of this road was not proper for VVIP entry. For this purpose, we have seen the PWD Department of West Bengal.
We are reporting live from the Legislative Party meeting. Pranesh getting you all those updates. Rajesh telling you about the preparations that are underway at the Brigade Parade ground. This is the ground from where Suvendu Adhikari tomorrow will take oath as the Chief Minister of Bengal, and Shivam also breaking down all those details. So from the Bengal blockbuster,